to do some zooming in now?
You can.
How do you do that?
No, you should have.
Everybody's tired. Hear your mouth, Bill. Be quiet. I'm pretty sure your wife at home gets tired of hearing your mouth also. And that's not just the second match, is it? So you listen here, I'm gonna paint you a pretty picture. And I don't know if some of y'all from Virginia and North Carolina and Eden and all that stuff, and some of y'all might not understand what I'm about to say. But I wasn't supposed to be in a match tonight. I was supposed to be sitting high and watching little Morgan Dash and Philip Black fight it out to see who's going to fight me for the Monumental Championship. But you see, I'm telling you what, a man's always got to do something with the amazing Buddy Knuckles out, sitting at home eating donuts, getting fatter and fatter by the minute. I have to pull BWA wrestling on my back and keep going on. Yes, last month I did not get the upper hand. I did not get the wins that I wanted to get. But tonight it was one man in the back that I always wanted to fight, but every time I try to fight him, he would run, he would hide, he would go to his little bird's nest and sit there and be a baby. So tonight, for all you entertainment people out there, I'm the best wrestler here, better than anybody in the back. And tonight I'm going to put you on a show for you tonight. Like I said, I wasn't supposed to wrestle, but I'm going to wrestle, okay? Are you understanding what I'm saying? But one thing I want to get off my chest. You sit down and you shut your mouth too. I promise to wrestle, you're going to see it. You be quiet. You're on my time. On my time. I'm not on your time, you're on my time. You pay to see me, and I can talk all night long. I can hold the show up all I want. But people keep asking me, Lukester, what's the next step for Braves Wrestling Association? Let me tell you this, honey. Just because we lose friends and we lose partnership, we're still going to the next level. This is not the end. This is just the beginning.
Cutting you off.
Hey, what are you running for?
It's back. That's it. Tell him it's okay. Hug it. Give him a control. Let it go.
My only question is that he needs to turn it tonight. That's the only question. Right? You want to get your brother to help you? Huh? 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 You want to get him to help you? Huh? Come on. Come on. Up top.
Oh, come on, bro.
He'll tell you off. He'll tell you off.
Why do you think to make sure the rest of the camp is free? He is getting the sun.
It's over. It's over.
Ladies and gentlemen, here's your winner, the
That's it. Give him a hug.
Alright, wait a minute, hold on. So I don't know you're bigger than you. The only funny thing is, you call me out and disrespect me at the same time. But guess what? Who's the chump now? The small little look. Hey, you had to cry to get it. That's all I got to say.